I'm ready for another upgrade to my EDC. And finally, I got a folder, a little pocket knife. So what I went with, the Dozier Design K-bar by Joe, or Bob Dozier. Open it up here for you. I went with the blaze orange. I'm a fan of bright handles on knives. I'm also a fan of K-bar. I feel it's a pretty budget knife. It's a $20 knife on Amazon. I've been carrying it for a little bit. I just put it back in the packaging so you could see that. It's got the pocket clip, tip up. Doesn't have any liners or any metal liners on the inside, so it's pretty light. It's got a black coating on the blade. Not really a knife expert, but it's made in Taiwan. 4062. I like it. There's some nice texture to the handle. A little thumb stud action, which you can reverse. Same with the pocket clip. But yeah, for 20 bucks, I'm happy with it. So I think I have a complete EDC for right now. I think the next step would be to upgrade my budget EDC.
Like if you like, and thanks for watching. Remember, a complete EDC includes a zombie.